Welcome tech lovers, Brar here. Today we will see SSL implementation in GitLab server and GitLab runner. This is the part 3 of GitLab 02 Hero series. Devops in Action channel is more focused on DevOps in easy way. You always found complexity in simplicity here. Each video guide is available in video's description. Here will be only action. A channel name is Devops in Action. So let's jump to the lab without any delay. You can find out the GitHub link on my YouTube channel and open GitLab Docker Docker Compose series, and here you can find out the third part, GitLab SSL with Nginx Reverse Proxy. By default, we deployed the GitLab here on the day 1, and day 2 we did the registration of GitLab runner, and now we are part 3 at the part 3, right? So also I added here application in my dashboard. Once I do the login, I copy pasted the same thing here because I not exposed, so not worried about the services. Okay, I'm able to log in, and let's say my runner is running or not. Yes, everything working fine till the part 1 and part 2. Now we are continuing the part 3. Here this is the architecture where the client or browser follow the 80 or 443. By default we forced to over 443 SSL, and behind the scene working it by the Nginx Reverse Proxy. I always prefer npm Nginx Proxy Manager over simple Nginx because of its provide a good UI. Also you can manage each and everything here through the here, let's say, and very simple thing is here. It's provide UI, and you can edit whatever you want. You can apply SSL, you can add some advanced things here. If you want to know more, then you must watch my Nginx Proxy Manager 02 Hero series, which is available here. I covered all the topics here, nothing is missing. Okay, so next one is the GitLab runner. So Nginx Proxy Manager sending this request to GitLab server. So let's start one by one. My GitLab server running on the SDT inside GitLab. So let's start the terminal and go in the same path you can see here, and now I want to compose down because I want to down this service, and after that I want to configure the GitLab related things. Okay, so before that I want to check that my configuration file, what kind of enabled services is in that configuration, because as you are aware that let's say compose file, I added only one variable for external URL and the GitLab root password, 2 things added here. Rest of the things I told you that do not configure here, right? So it is available on this path. Once you open this, right, you can see the all configuration available here. So you can configure directly here instead of configuring in Docker Compose file. There are 2 ways to configure this one. One is you can take a copy of it and edit the existing file. The second one is the move your GitLab original RB file to RB original and create the new GitLab RB file. I always prefer simplicity, so I am going to move this file to original, and I want to add the new file here, and I want to just copy paste it here. Okay, let me tell you what it is. I'm enabling the Nginx true, client max body size 250 MB, listener address is 12701. It means you cannot directly call from the outside. Listen port is the 80. Listen HTTPS false. So as I showed you here, this is the by default running on 80. And proxy header, here the game we are playing, every proxy we are sending the forward SSL on. That's it. Let's close this one and done. And now you want to change the compose YML as well. Open compose YML, and here you need to change HTTP to HTTPS and save it. That's it. HTTPS done here and Nginx configuration done here. Okay, now open the run the server. Okay, so this is the related to Nginx SSL configuration in the GitLab, but now you want to force proxy with the SSL. For that, let's say I added my Nginx proxy manager here. So let me tell you from there. Once you open it here, not this one, Nginx proxy manager, and find out the GitLab and do the edit here and go in the SSL and apply the SSL like this and force SSL, save it. Okay, so we done the SSL configuration on the Nginx proxy manager, and now once you hit on this URL http GitLab Devops.lab, this is the HTTP, it will redirect to HTTPS. You can see here, this is the HTTP. Once I refresh, we are waiting for the service come up. Okay, docker it's starting, so we need to wait a moment. You can see it's forced to SSL, but we need to wait for the server. Okay, we can do one more thing while it is setup is going on. We can also set the GitLab runner to access the GitLab runner over the SSL, because we registered the GitLab runner and that was on the HTTP endpoint. We need to change that one. Okay, so open the GitLab runner, and here you can see the HTTP and add as and save it. Once you save it, the URL I added here, you can check this URL, and after that you need to restart the GitLab runner. But before that, make sure your service must be up and running, so we need to wait for some time. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, now it's available, and go here, and we did the changes in GitLab runner, so we want to restart GitLab runner as well. Okay, just restart the GitLab runner. Done. And that's it for this part. Okay, so let's cross verify. This is running on the SSL, and let's verify the GitLab runner as well. Runner is working fine or not. Yes, it is running over the SSL, and we can check the sorry, my bad. You can check the logs here. It is working fine. Okay, that's it. Okay, you have any doubt or questions, leave a comment, and thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. See you in the next video.